Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
It's Alice here. I'm just going to show you this video. It's just going to show you how I install my side pattern hair unit. And this is the hair at the moment. I'm just showing you, striking my stuff, showing my beautiful makeup. The hair right now is looking absolutely fabulous. I love the way it turned up. So that's the hair. Anyway, so I'm just going to show you. I normally don't like putting wig caps, and I normally wear my hair just for a day, and at the end of the night when I'm going to bed I take it off. I do not like going to bed for 2 days in my glued hair. I don't like anything glued to my forehead for more than a day, so I do it and I take it off the next day. So this is the glue I'm going to be using. I'm using the got to be glue, and right now I'm using the gel, applying it on my forehead, getting it ready for the hair to be glued on. And gosh, I think this is absolutely perfect, because the last time I used a stronger glue and I put it on top of actually my actual hair, and when I took the wig out it came out with a bunch of my hair, and that was the worst mistake I ever did. So got to be glue is fabulous for me. It's my go-to. It's safe. Now I am putting it where I want the hairline to start. I've got a little bit of a large forehead, just slightly, so I like to bring it a bit forward to make it look a bit more realistic. And now I'm pressing it down so that it melts in. Looks like it's melting in a little bit more, and I'm still pressing it down. And I am combining, since we're not going to be using any irons or any mousse in this hair. Literally this is my 5 minute. It takes me 5 minutes every morning to get this done. And I think it'll be best, it'll be good for working moms. You don't want to be sitting around for 30 minutes, 40 minutes trying to install a hair. So this is just perfect. Now I'm going over it with the got to be spray to ensure that it holds a lot more. And there it is. And again I'm pressing it down, and again I'm fanning it down so it dries. So what I'm doing right now is combing it back. It actually helps the front hairline look a little bit more flatter. It helps it lay down a lot more, and it also helps it makes it look a little bit more natural. And I usually don't like baby hair at all. That's not my thing, but I decided to bring the hair a little bit forward just to cover the tracks and also to make it look a bit natural. And that's what I'm doing. And what I realized is, after I finished watching the video back, I realized that the baby hair did not turn out nice at all. It didn't look nice, but don't worry, it's just gonna fall into place. Oh, I forgot to tell you this, my magic. I used what I put in my hair right now is the Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream. Is did the magic. It helped the front look very silky, and it so made it lie down a lot more. And now I'm going over the hairline, the pattern, with my foundation color to define the pattern a little bit more. And just the cut tight that I applying on the front of the hair to make it lie down a lot more. So I've got 10 minutes spare to, I'm just sitting there just biting my tongue, biting my hand, my fingers, waiting for 10 minutes to go by. Life is good. Okay, it's all dried now. After 10 minutes I'm taking it out, and voila, I think it's looking nice. Obviously don't quote me on that. The baby hair is not looking great at all, but since the hair is just going to be falling over, it's not really a problem. And I didn't do anything on the other side of the hair as well, because like I said, it's a side pattern. The hair is going to be falling over, so I didn't bother doing anything on that side. I think this is the final hair. Okay, what I'm doing on using on there right now is a carrot hair wax, and it helps any little strands of hair to lie down. And these are the pictures of the final look. Hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment. Bye guys.